tones, with every chirp, with every sound, a world of wonder all around.
Perched so high on branches tall, echoing voices in mimics all. A laugh, a word, a tune so sweet, a melody that feels complete. Sunrise wakes its joyful cheer, calling morning crisp and clear. A burst of color in the sky, lighting where the breezes sigh. Its golden beak, its eyes so bright, reflect the sun, absorb the light. It flaps its wings in perfect grace, dancing freely wild in space. Through jungle green and sky so blue, it tells the tales of all it knew. A whisper secret, a name, a rhyme, a chatter lost beyond its time. Yet in its heart so light and free, the parrot sings eternally. A voice of wonder, bright and strong, forever lifted in its song. Sunrise wakes its joyful cheer, calling morning crisp and clear. A burst of color in the sky, gliding where the breezes sigh. Its golden beak, its eyes so bright, reflect the sun, absorb the light. It flaps its wings in perfect grace, dancing freely wild in space. Through jungle green and sky so blue, it tells the tales of all it knew. A whisper secret, a name, a rhyme, a chatter lost beyond its time. Yet in its heart so bright, reflect the sun, absorb the light. It flaps its wings in perfect grace, dancing freely wild in space. Through jungle green and sky so blue, it tells the tales of all it knew. A whisper secret, a name, a rhyme, a chatter lost beyond its time. Yet in its heart so light and free, the parrot sings eternally. A voice of wonder, bright and strong, forever lifted in its song.